In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability on Square Appointments. As anyone who manages appointments knows, keeping your schedule up to date is essential for maintaining both efficiency and customer satisfaction. Whether you're adjusting for a regular business day or planning around holidays and special events, I'll guide you through the process to ensure your availability accurately reflects your needs. First, let's begin by opening the appointments calendar. Start by logging into your Square dashboard. Once there, navigate to the appointments section. If you're responsible for multiple locations, make sure that you've selected the correct one. This ensures that any changes you make are applied to the right place. Next, click on the Calendar tab to bring up your appointment schedule ready for any changes you want to implement. Now, let's look at how to edit a recurring schedule. Within your calendar view, pay attention to the top right corner for a clock icon. Clicking on this icon will present you with options where you'll want to select recurring schedule. Here, you can set or change the days and hours of operation, such as deciding that your business will be open on Mondays from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. After you've made your adjustments, click Done. This will save your new regular availability settings and ensure your schedule remains updated. Next, let's address how to make one-time changes. Such changes are crucial for holidays or any special events where your usual availability might not apply. Begin by clicking the same clock icon we used earlier. Instead of the recurring option, choose one-time change. This will allow you to modify availability for specific days without altering your regular schedule. Once you've made your modifications, click Done to ensure these exceptions are saved and appropriately reflected in your calendar. Lastly, after you've completed all your changes, whether they are recurring or one-time adjustments, click Save. This final step ensures that all your settings are captured and updated in the system, making your availability visible to clients scheduling appointments. By following these straightforward steps, you maintain control over your business's scheduling landscape. Staying on top of your availability is key to running a smooth operation and keeping your clients informed about when you're open for business. This approach not only supports efficiency but also enhances the client experience by avoiding scheduling conflicts and ensuring transparency. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling!